live, guys. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about another pre-construction project that is coming to a city in Ontario. So for this project, we're going to talk about who the developer is, what incentives they're offering, the occupancy date, the floor plans, the deposit structure, and the prices. Now let's talk about the project. The name of the project is Lake Haven, and the developer, or rather the builder, is Matami Homes. I think it's fair to say that they're one of the most popular builders in Ontario, and that kind of gives them enough reputation. For builders like this, right, you might not even want to do your research on them because they are already known for delivering on their projects. But that does not mean you shouldn't still do your research on them. You still need to do your due diligence. You need to go look at the reviews, look at what people are saying about them. I would highly recommend that you do your research, do your background check, and if you want, you can also do your police record check on them if you want. These projects will be built in the beautiful city of Innisfil. It's near the shores of Lake Simcoe. Innisfil is about 1 hour 25 minutes from Toronto, which is on a good day. And when I say a good day, that means like there is no traffic on the road. The builders plan on building bungalow townhomes and also a little bit of detached houses as well. So let me give you a quick history about the developer. Matami Homes is a Canadian home builder founded in Toronto by Peter Gilgan in 1978. According to Wikipedia, right, they are one of the largest privately owned builders in North America, and they are Canada's largest residential home builder and top 25 builders in the United States. So you kind of see why I said you kind of do not need to do your research about them because they're already trusted and tested, or tested and trusted. But as I said, please do your research. Enough of the builder, let's get into the project, which I'm sure you guys have been wanting to hear about. So Lake Haven is currently under construction, and according to them and their plan, they should complete this project middle of 2024. So we're thinking about, sometimes like June, July of 2024. So if this project seems like something you would be interested in, it seems like something you would like to acquire for yourself, you need to reach out to me as soon as possible so we can secure a unit or a lot for you. Let's talk about incentives. The builder is willing to take off $50 from the maintenance fee for selected lots. So it's not going to be for every unit that they are selling. It's just going to be for like a couple units here and there. I don't know how much that will be for people, but depending on what the maintenance fee is, $50 can probably go a long way. They didn't really say how long they would reduce the maintenance fee for, but we can always ask them when we are going to, get our own lot. Another incentive that they are offering is they would give you free Wi-Fi for 1 year from a network provider called Rogers. This should probably save you about $60 a month, which sums up to about $720 per year. Now let's get into the floor plan. So they have different floor plans, and as always, we're just going to look about 2 to 3 different floor plans. So let's get into that. Okay, so here's the floor plan for this project. Now this one is called the Anderson, and as you can see, it's kind of the one in the middle, and this is what it's going to look like on the outside. Now, because the bungalow townhouses, obviously it's going to be like one floor, and this one is 1,274 square feet. So let's quickly look through it. So this is the front porch, and then you have the garage on the side. There's definitely going to be like a door here that you go through, and then to your left you have the second bedroom, and you can also go through the garage, and then you get into the mudroom, and you get back into the foyer where you have your laundry on this side. So as you walk through, you have the kitchen, you have the bath, which is opposite the kitchen, and then you walk straight up, you have your dining right here, your living room, and you have the primary bedroom that has a walk-in closet, and it has an ensuite bathroom. Now there's one bathroom right here, which was, as I've said, it's also opposite the kitchen. So this will be for this other bedroom and for your visitors. This one is the Emerson. Now this one is 1,370 square feet. It's also an end unit townhouse. That's why they put like the word end there, duh. and this is how it's going to look like from the outside. Now this one specifically, it's pretty much almost the same thing, but like a different layout. Now you have your bedroom right here, and then your garage, your entryway. Now, you know, for the other one, for the Anderson, we had the kitchen here and the bathroom here. Now this one, the bathroom is here, the kitchen is here, and the laundry is here. So once you're coming in from your garage and then you get into the mudroom, you're literally welcomed by the kitchen. Hopefully the kitchen looks very, very nice. And then you have your laundry, which is opposite that. Now you have the dining and the living room. For the Anderson, if you remember, this was where the bedroom was, and then the living room and the dining was here. So it was like the living room, the dining, and the kitchen, but now it's been switched up. So you have your primary bedroom here with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom, and then you have a covered patio right here. So there's this one that is the Gibson end. So the Gibson end is also another end unit townhouse. Is there anything different in this one? No. So it pretty much looks like the Anderson, but just that this one is a little bit bigger in size. So this one is 1,701 square feet. So that's pretty much it about the floor plans. Now let's go and look at the deposit structure and the pricing. Now we are at the pricing package for Lake Haven, as you can see by Matami Homes. Now, if you remember the Anderson, the one that is the 1,274 square feet, the 2-bedroom, and 2 full bathroom, you can see the prices. It's as low as $479,900. I wouldn't lie to you, that's a very, very, very good price. And then the Anderson end, which is the end unit townhouse, it's around $509,990. So that's for this one. Which other one did we look at? So we looked at the Gibson, and the Gibson, as I've said, it's kind of the same as the Anderson, but it's just a little bit, well, not a little bit, it's very, very big. So this is 1,700 square feet, and it's priced at $569,000. Now this is going to be completed in 2024. So as I've said, you need to jump on this one. The deposit structure, $30,000 on signing. So once you sign the document and you've gone through the 10-day cooling period that you have, you pay $30,000, and then in 30 days you pay $10,000, in 60 days another $10,000, and in 90 days you pay $5,000. So in total, your deposit that you're going to be paying is going to be around $55,000 for this project. If you have $55,000 in your bank account that you're getting 2% on, or like 1% on your savings account, I think you need to hop on this. I think you need to get in touch with me for us to get you this project. So that's what we have for the deposit structure and the pricing. If you want more information about this project, if you're interested in this project, or you know anyone who would be interested or who would benefit from this project, reach out to me and I'll be glad to send you the full package of this project, because we only just looked at the floor plan and we looked at the pricing. So reach out to me and I'll be glad to send you the full package of this project. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed, guys.